गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः. This is the chart which is already posted in our capture group. Most of the people have attended and posted their opinion also. Very good, well and good. Let us discuss about this chart. Actually, to say this native is unmarried. This native is unmarried. She is a government employee. 60 years she served in so many branches. After that, she retired. Until her retirement, she is not married. She is unmarried. How? Let us discuss it. Let us discuss it. You see, first कस्मल इंटरलिंक्स में देखेंगे, नहीं तो केपी में देखेंगे. फर्स्ट लेट अस सी इन कस्मल इंटरलिंक्स. कस्मल इंटरलिंक्स में देखेंगे. देखो, फर्स्ट कस्प सबसब seventh cusp subsublord is Mercury. First cusp subsublord, seventh cusp subsublord is Mercury. Mercury is in the star of Rahu, sub of Sun, and sub of Rahu. In involvement, 5, 7, 11, all the three houses, required houses, relevant houses are appeared in involvement. But in commitment, there is no 5, no 7, no 11. There is no 5, no 7, no 11. You may say, sir, there is a favorable house 1 and 3. Why don't we take, okay, 1, 7 के लिए 1, 2, 6, 10 are negation. This is only my explanation. 3 is at star level, sign level, very poor. So, without 5 or 7 or 11, it won't help here. जाने दो, इधर लिया तो let us consider 1 and 3 favorable. Okay, let us check here. Through final confirmation में 7 involvement में आया तो इधर देखो, all are negatives. मतलब total 1, 2, 6, 10. 1, 2, 6, 10. 7 primary cusp. When primary cusp is involved in final confirmation, what we have to check? For 7, 1. 1 is negation, 1 is unfavorable for 7th house. 2 also unfavorable. 1, 2, 6 also unfavorable. 10 also unfavorable. You see, 1, how we have got 1 here? 1 Rahu representatives, Mercury and Mercury. Mercury देखो सब level में है, सब level में 1. And 1 is unfavorable in final confirmation. It is at sub level. Next, 2 is sub level through Mercury. 2 is sub level through Mercury. Next, 6 Rahu, through Rahu, directly Rahu, sub lord. 10 resident of 6th cusp. So all the remaining for 7, 1, 2, 6, 10, these 4 houses are very strongly indicating here final confirmation. So that marriage won't take place, I think. This is my opinion. Later on, I will continue. Just 1 minute, sir. 1 minute, sir. I will show it. Sir, this is a KP system. This is the software. रंगराजन का सॉफ्टवेयर क्या बोलते हैं इसे? KP Astro software. It is known as KP Astro software. It is prepared by Rangarajan, Chennai. Usually, I follow KP in this software. Cuspal Interlinks True Astrology software. I am having these two softwares. You see here, KP में क्या है rule? If the seventh cusp subsublord signifies either 2 or 7 or 11, marriage is promised. Marriage is promised. Okay. Seventh cusp subsublord in this chart is Saturn.
Seventh sublord.
Yes, seventh sublord, not subsublord. Sorry. ఎందుకంటే కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అవుతుంది అక్కడ ఇక్కడ రెండు మాట్లాడుతున్నాం కాబట్టి. సెవెంత్ కస్ప్ సబ్లార్డ్ ఈజ్ సాటర్న్. సాటర్న్ ఫస్ట్ ప్లానెట్ లెవెల్, లెట్ us చెక్ ప్లానెట్ లెవెల్. సాటర్న్ ఈజ్ ప్లేస్డ్ ఇన్ వేర్ 2 సెకండ్ హౌస్ में है. సాటర్న్ ఈజ్, యూ రైట్ డౌన్ సాటర్న్ సెవెంత్ SSL
సార్.
సెవెంత్ సబ్లార్డ్. సారీ,
అలవాట్లు పొరపాటు.
seventh sublord Saturn, occupant of 2 and lord of 8, 9. అంతే కదండి?
1 అవుద్దాం కదా సార్ ఇది.
చూడండి,
సాటర్న్ 1 అవుద్దాం కదా సార్.
Saturn, no, you see here, Saturn is into second cusp 17, 40 నుంచి ఇంతవరకు Saturn
సెకండే
లో
సార్.
ఉన్నాడు.
ఎస్ సార్, సెకండే.
సెకండ్ లో ఉన్నాడు.
రైట్ సార్. ఓకే సార్, రైట్ సార్.
ఓనర్ ఆఫ్ 8, 9.
Occupant of second and lord of 8 and 9.
Yes,
So
sir.
we have written the same here. Saturn, seventh sublord. Saturn, ఏంది అన్ని తప్పులు వేయి. సెవెంత్ సబ్ సాటర్న్ ఈజ్ ఇన్ ది స్టార్ ఆఫ్, ఎవరి స్టార్ లో ఉన్నాడండి? సాటర్న్ ఈజ్ ఇన్ ది స్టార్ ఆఫ్. చెప్తాను.
May I interrupt you, Murthy ji?
Just
Is
wait.
is it class of KP or a Cuspal Interlink?
This is KP sir.
కంపారిజన్ సార్.
We are comparing.
Okay.
This is KP. So chart is different. दूसरा सॉफ्टवेयर है ये. Saturn is in the star of Ketu and sub of Saturn. Saturn is in the star of Ketu, Ketu. Ketu is occupant of 4 in the sub of Saturn. Saturn again 2, 8, 9. What is our KP rule? When if the seventh cusp sublord signifies 2 or 7 or 11, marriage is promised. Okay. Saturn, इधर देखो, ये इधर क्या है? Saturn इधर 2 है. 2 is required house. 2 इधर भी 2 है.
Driver Sharif personal.
2. But the marriage is according to the KP rule. Seventh cusp sublord signifies 2 or 7 or 11, marriage is promised. Okay. Marriage. No marriage. Unmarried still. Why? What happened? What about 2? Let us check it.
నేను క్లాస్లో ఉన్నాను ఇప్పుడు. సరే, తర్వాత చేస్తాను. ఊరికి లేము.
Saturn, occupant of 2 and lord of 8 and 9. Saturn is in the star of Ketu, 4. Saturn again in the sub of Saturn 2, 8, 9. We have written. But here 2 is at B level significator. It is B level significator. Saturn star में कौन है? This is occupant of second. Occupant is okay. वो क्या बोलते हैं? Owner कंटे occupant stronger. Owner is ఏమంటారు సార్ దాన్ని? Occupant is stronger than owner. But occupant కంటే వాని నక్షత్రంలో ఉన్న వాళ్ళు గొప్ప వాళ్ళు. The planets which are placed in occupant are stronger than occupant. That is the KP rule. So Saturn is 2 occupant, no doubt, but he has to give 2 results. But Saturn is, moon is in the star of Saturn. Moon is in the star of Saturn. Here you go. Moon is in the star of Saturn. So Saturn, moon देता, Saturn 2, number 2 का results Saturn देता, moon देता. Instead of Saturn, moon will give the results of second house. Because occupant star, occupant కంటే occupant star లో ఉన్నటువంటి వాళ్ళు బలవంతులు. The planets which are placed in the occupant star is greater than occupant. That is the rule. So Saturn, even though planet level and sub level he shows 2, second house results will never occur there, because moon is stronger than Saturn. That's why moon will give the second house results. So that Saturn is failed. Okay, Saturn is failed. In addition to that, here moon is in the Saturn star, Saturn sub, strong Punarpu. This is also one of the reasons. Strong Punarpu. Next, Mars dosha. Lagnatu 1, 2, 4, 7, 8, 12. Lagnatu Kuja dosha mein. Tarvata Chandraptu Kuja dosha mein. Chandraptu 4th. Venus Dara 12th alloitare. So Kuja dosha is also there. It is also one of the reasons, we can say. This is also one of the reasons. Next, Saturn seventh sublord Saturn is placed in Leo. 7th sublord Saturn is placed in Leo. Leo is a barren sign. Next, Saturn is in the star of Ketu. Ketu is also placed in another barren sign, Virgo. Ketu himself is a क्या बोलते हैं नपुंसक planet. Eunuch planet. Napunsaka planet. Saturn himself placed in Leo, which is a barren sign. Saturn is in the star of Ketu. It is a barren planet, and it is also placed in another barren sign, Virgo. If you go to some extent further, Ketu is in the star of. किसका स्टार में है केतु? Ketu is in the star of Mars. Mars is the lord of Mesha. It is also a barren sign lord. It is placed in Gemini. Gemini is also a barren sign with along its lord, Mercury. So, barren sign connection इतना strong है, इसलिए marriage not happened. I think this is my opinion. Okay, at the time of birth, balance of dacha क्या है? Balance of dacha कहाँ मिलेगा? इधर basic chart, basic data. 16 years, 0 months, 16 days. 16 years, roughly 16 years. 16 years में 1949 में birth, 16 years, okay. There are chances for early marriage, but because of Punarbu Yoga, it might have not happened, whatever it may be. Next, after Saturn, who will come? After Saturn Dasha?
Mercury.
Saturn Dasha?
Mercury.
Mercury. Let us check Mercury. Mercury is in the star of Rahu and sub of Venus. Mercury. Yeah, Mercury. Mercury 12, 1, 4. In the star of Rahu, 10, in the sub of Sun, 3. Mercury is in the star of Mercury planet level 12, 1, 4. These three are not favorable for marriage. 2, 7, 11 only for favorable marriage houses for marriage in KP. Rahu, occupant of 10. 10 is also not useful. राहु representatives कौन है वो भी देख लेंगे. सन सब इधर भी 2, 7, 11 नहीं. Let us check Rahu. देखो राहु इधर है. राहु is placed in Pisces, मीना में है राहु 10th में. राहु notes gives cash बोला तो CASH ना पैसा नहीं. cash बोला तो C बोला तो conjoined with. Notes will give the results of the planets with which they are conjoined. First one. If it is available, we need not go further check. We need not check further. If the node is here, moon is conjoined with moon. Moon क्या है? Moon देखो. Moon is occupant of 9 and lord of 2. 9 and 2. 9 and 2. देना. ये 2 is favorable for marriage, but at which level it is okay? It is let us check. Let us see 2. देखो कहाँ है चार्ट. हाँ 2 A grade significator 2 को A grade significator. Okay, this is okay. Moon has to give the results of second house. Compulsorily he has to give, but not given because Moon is the sublord of sixth cusp. These are plus symbol है. Plus symbol बोला तो moon star में कौन भी नहीं. No planets are placed in moon star. So he has become the sublord of the sixth cusp. So sixth cusp బలమైనటువంటి కారకుడు వాడు సిక్స్త్ కు. ఇన్స్టెడ్ ఆఫ్ 2 బలమైనటువంటి కారకుడు సిక్స్త్. కాబట్టి he has not given results up to. ఇక్కడ 2 అనేది ఇవ్వలేదు. ఎందుకు ఇవ్వలేదు? 2 అనేది ఏ గ్రేడ్ సిగ్నిఫికేటర్ అయినప్పటికీ కస్పల్ సిగ్నిఫికేషన్ అనేటువంటి రూల్, దాన్ని గోల్డెన్ రూల్ ఇన్ కేపీ అంటారు. అంటే ఏమిటి అక్కడ గోల్డెన్ రూల్ అంటే, ఇక్కడ ఇక్కడ చంద్రుని యొక్క నక్షత్రంలో ఎవరూ లేరు. చంద్రుని నక్షత్రంలో నో ప్లానెట్ ఈస్ ప్లేస్ ఇన్ మూన్ స్టార్. సచ్ ప్లానెట్ ఈజ్ అపియర్డ్ యాజ్ సబ్లార్డ్ హియర్. सब्लॉर्ड सिक्स्थ को सब्लॉर्ड बन गया उन्हें. सो सिक्स्थ कस्प सब्लॉर्ड सिग्निफिकेशन इज ग्रेटर देन 2. So he has not given there. Next, after Mercury, who will come? 16 plus 17, 33 years over. Next, Manda Gna Ketu. Next, Ketu will come. Ketu 7 years. Let us check Ketu. Ketu is in the star of Mars sub Saturn. Ketu is 4 in the star of star adi mati pettukondi. Ketu is in the star of Mars and Saturn. Mars star में MARS Mars ఏం చెప్తున్నాడు? Mars 12 6 7 12 6 11 and in the sub of Saturn.
Saturn 289.
Okay. Here, 4 is unfavorable for marriage. 4. 12, 6, 11. Either 11 high. 11 is 11 and 2. These two are favorable for marriage. But no marriage happened in this period also. Why? Let us check here. You see, Mars 12, 6, 11. You see, Mars 12, A grade, B grade, 6, 11. All are okay. 12, 6, 11. All these houses are we can expect from Mars. 12, 6, 11. You see here 12 at A level high. 12 Mars. Mars 11 at sea level high. Sea level. 6 sea level high. Mars is capable to give 6th and 11 and 12. But according to strength, Mars has to give the priority should be given to 12th cusp. 12th result data only. Instead of 11, 12th data. 12th is unfavorable for marriage. So he is unable to give that marriage on that house. Saturn we have already discussed. So Ketu is also failed. Ketu representatives देखो. Ketu representatives को भी. Let us see Ketu representatives कौन है? Ketu representatives. Ketu. Nobody is conjoined with Ketu. No, cash C हो गया. Next ये वाला तो aspected by whom? Mars देखता है special aspect. Mars Jupiter 9th से देखता है. देखो Mars Jupiter ये दो भी check कर रही है. Mars we have already shown. Jupiter, let us see Jupiter. Jupiter क्या बोलता है? JUPITER. Jupiter. Jupiter 7 में है. 7 and 10th lord. 7 and 10. 7 10th lord. So 2 Saturn we have already discussed previously. Saturn why failed? we need not discuss. Jupiter, let us see. Jupiter, 7, 7, 7. 7 primary cusp. Jupiter has to give the results of 7. Why? He did not give the results of 7. Let us see. सेवन बी ग्रेड सिग्निफिकेटर सेवन में बी ग्रेड सिग्निफिकेटर जुपिटर के स्टार में कौन है? जुपिटर के स्टार में सन हैज टू गिव दी 7th हाउस. ये ग्रेड रिजल्ट 7 देता. जुपिटर नहीं देता. Jupiter will never give the 7th results because he is B grade significator. Sun will become the A grade significator. Sun is in the star of Jupiter. Sun is in the star of Jupiter. You see, Sun is in the star of Jupiter. So Jupiter will give the results of Jupiter will give the results of 7. Jupiter. Sun is in the star of Jupiter, so Jupiter will never give the results of 7. Sun will give the results of 7. So such Ketu is also failed. Next, Venus दशा आता. Venus 20 years. यहाँ को 40 years हो गया. 10 years, 16 years Saturn दशा, 17 years Mercury, ये 7 years. Total 40 years होगा. अब वीनस दशा देखेंगे. वीनस 20 years. Venus is in the star of Mercury and Mars. Venus. Seven, 2, 5, 12. Venus 2, 5, 12 in the star of Mercury. 12, 1, 4, 12, 1, 4 in the sub of Mars. 12, 6, 11. We have already checked Mars. 12, 6, 7, 11. 11 का रिजल्ट नहीं देता, 12 का रिजल्ट देता Mars. Let us check here. Venus is in 2. Mars, Mercury भी हो गया 12, 1, 4, no use. इधर 2 है planet level में. 2 नहीं दिया. क्यों? मैरिज नहीं हुआ Venus दशा में भी. Why? Let us see here. 2. చూడండి వీనస్ సెకండ్ హౌస్ రిజల్ట్స్ వీనస్ देना. వీనస్ इधर मून है. मून will give the A grade significator first. Next Venus A grade first. A grade next Venus Saturn वैसा. So Venus will give the results of 2. So that next अभी ये क्या है इसमें? You see, 7th co-rulers, Jupiter, Venus, Saturn, Mercury, Jupiter, Venus. You check all these planets. These are all unfavorable to give marriage for this lady. You check according to KP. Jupiter, Venus, Saturn, Mercury, Jupiter, Venus. All the co-rulers of 7th cusp are failed. This is my opinion. In addition to that, there is some rules in Vedic astrology. क्या बोलते तो if Mars is hemmed in between Rahu and Ketu, marriage is often not promised बोलता है. You see, generally hemmed in between बोला तो नजदीक रहना. ये इधर राहु इधर है, केतु इधर है, बीच में मार्स इधर है. hemmed in between बोला तो ध्यान रखना. इधर एक प्लैनेट, इधर एक प्लैनेट. इधर देखो सैटर्न, वीनस, सन. इधर देखो Mercury, Venus and Sun both are hemmed in between Mercury and Saturn. ऐसा रहना, नजदीक रहना. We can use this hemmed between बोला तो ऐसा लेते. But this is also Rahu Ketu in between these two planets. Mars is hemmed in between Rahu and Ketu. If Mars is hemmed in between Rahu and Ketu, marriage is often not promised बोलता है. ये एक रूल है. ये भी एक रूल है. According to Meena also, Meena people also, so many students are in our group. They, according to their promise is there. Promise ఉంది కదండి మీరు మీనా టూలో.
तुझे चार्ट नहीं दिख रहा चार्ट.
मीना टू का चार्ट मेरे पास नहीं, वो लोग चेक करें, वो अलग है वो. सर ओके, दिस इज माय ओपिनियन सर. एनीबडी कैन स्पीक नाउ. they can give their valuable ideas. This is my opinion. I am not authoritative. You follow my instructions. No, I will never say like that. This is my opinion. I have expressed whether you can, if you like, you can follow. Otherwise, you leave it. But marriage is not happened. You see, this chart is a lady, female. She is a government employee. She worked in various branches, 60 up to 60 years. Up to that level, she is not married. This is correct information. You may ask, sir, is she your client? No, she is not my client. Or she is not my relative. But it is written in Nuti Subbarao, part 2. किताब में 190 पेज में है. You can read it. You can check it there. Simply, he escaped. What he said in that book, due to Punarpu dosha, strong Punarpu dosha, it is not able to give marriage. Next, Cuspal interlinks में भी बताता है वो लोग. क्या बताता Cuspal interlinks में? हमें बोला ना, moon is 1 and 3.
Mercury is in the sub of Sun.
Mercury, right. Mercury 1 and 7th का sublord. आ चार्ट करता नहीं. This is it.
मुझे चार्ट नहीं दिख रहा है. मुझे चार्ट.
मैं बताता हूँ. आता आपका चार्ट आता अब.
Your chart is not visible.
Just wait, sir.
This is the chart. 16, 7, 1949, 5 hours, 6, 57. Nela Kota, 81, 43. This is table, Cuspal interlinks table, you see. Mercury, 1st and 7th Mercury. 1st and 7th sublord is Mercury. Mercury is in the star of Rahu. 5, 7, 11. Commitment में 1, 3 है. 1, 3. किताब में क्या बोलता हूँ? No, there is no 5, no 7, no 11. So इसलिए commitment is weak. Commitment में 5, 7, 11 नहीं. इसलिए नहीं दिया जाओ बोले होता. But we can, if we observe carefully, 1 is resident of okay. 3 at star level, sign level है. Sign level. This is very weak. Okay, if these two are favorable houses, we can consider Murthy ji बोला तो इधर क्या है सारे houses है देखो 1 7 primary cup is involved. When primary cup is involved, we need not see other planets. Only for 7 unfavorable 1 6 1 2 6 10 1 at sub level 6 at sub level 10 at virtual sub level 1 2 1 2 6 10 1 2 6 10 like this all are negations are strongly so that we can say easily marriage not happened. This is my opinion. किताब में क्या बोलता है नूति सुब्बा राव जी कमिटमेंट में नो 5 नो 7 नो 11 इसलिए शादी नहीं हुआ बोलता है.
नहीं वो तो गलत है सर,
प्रॉमिस नहीं है
ये तो गलत है सर। 1-3 है ना सर, ऐसा है
यस फेवरेबल
सर। हाँ सर यहाँ
my opinion
नहीं नहीं ओके
हाँ.
लुक हियर in sublord level 1 and 3 are there with no negative house,
yes
so they are favorable. They are
favorable
favorable. Yes, they are favorable.
no
And
sir one is negation for 7 sir.
नहीं सर, असेंडेंट
No.
अपनी शादी कभी रुकवाएगा? नहीं सर, आप उसको और ढंग से लुक हियर आई एक्सप्लेन इट सर। 7 के लिए 1 नेगेटिव नहीं है,
unfavorable
7
house
से
ना.
नहीं सर, नहीं है
For
सर।
marriage
7 से
purpose, table में
सुन
दिया.
तो लो आप सर, सुन तो लो आप। नहीं
नहीं,
नहीं 7
మాస్టర్ మనం కూడా
Sir,
కన్సిడర్ చేయం కదా మాస్టర్ 1
सर
అనేది
बात तो सुनो ना।
నేటివ్ అనేది వదిలేస్తాం కదా అలాగే అనుకుందాం కొద్దిసేపు వదిలేయండి.
right sir बोलो चलो
सर सर
one is favorable okay
सर लुक हियर,
बोलिए.
जो आप जो कह रहे हो ना 7 से 1 7th है agreeable and it is given that 4 7 8 and 12 are negative houses to the 7th house, okay, but 1 is also ascendant, right? And a ascendant, if he wants to get married, he will never negate his marriage. So what is the meaning of appearance of 1 to 7 कि 7th के इफेक्ट को 1 का इफेक्ट जो है it will lower down, it balances the act of 7. That is the only point. Now 3 is here, 3 is here. From 7, if you look at 3, it is the 9th house, it is favorable house, right? Now the question here is we have to concentrate upon the sub level. Now 3-4 points which everybody needs to keep in mind, and the 3-4 points they are: the first point is whenever there is commitment of 2 6 8 and 12, 4 6 10 and 12, it is denial of marriage always.
सर
I repeat again. I repeat again. Everybody can write down. Everybody can write down this point. This is very important. This is very important.
बोलिए
This is
सर.
very important. So, at sub level or at the sub level,
सब
if sub or sub, if 2 6 8 and 12, if 2 6 8 and 12 is there, it is denial of marriage. If 4 6 10 and 12 are there, it is denial of marriage.
4 6 10
4 6 10 and 12,
10 and 12 also 4 6 10 12
yes. Now
ये
if
दो
it is 2 4 6 8 10 and 12, all these houses are appearing, it means a strong denial for marriage.
very good
Okay.
very good.
Okay, and now the next point is that if 2 6 and 10 are appearing, it is delay in marriage.
2 6 10 delay
And if it is 2 4 10 and 12,
2 4 10 12
it is again delay in marriage.
delay
So
Right,
we
right.
have to
parameters
properly, we have to properly analyze how we have to do it. मैं मूर्ति जी, I'll be back in a minute. I'll be back in a minute.
Okay, sir. Okay, come back. ओझा साहब,
जी
बोलो।
हाँ बोलिए।
नहीं, जो आप केपी पढ़ा रहे थे तो केपी, अब तो आप कस्टल में आ गए ना।
अभी कस्मल है
टर्न
ना।
बैक इन कस्टल इंटरलिंक।
हाँ सर, कस्पल वाले क्या बोलते हैं, हमारा बड़ा ज्यादा है, वी आर परफेक्ट, वी आर
But in
बोले तो हमें आया।
Murthy, but in KP also, some of the learned person in this area, he's using the cusp also. For example, Saturn is the sublord of seventh cusp. If Saturn is also appearing the fourth cusp or sixth cusp in the cusp, जो है, he also consider cusp जो है. He is also KP मतलब follower, very old person जो है. So why do you not favor consider this cusp also? आप जो है वो लोग यहाँ पे एक सज्जन है, वो कस्प को यूज करते हैं। ABCD जो आपने यूज किया, ऑक्यूपेंट और स्टार और जो है प्लेसमेंट स्टार, वो कस्प को यूज करते हैं, साथ साथ में साइमल्टेनियसली कस्प को यूज करते हैं। आ गए डॉक्टर साहब, आ गए।
आने दो।
हाँ जी,
क्या
आप क्या कह रहे थे? हाँ
हाँ,
जी, so
भाई।
no, Murthy ji, see here the ascendant as well as the seventh sub-lord is Mercury. Okay, ascendant and seventh sub-lord is Mercury. And if you look at Mercury, it is involving 5, 7, 11. It is okay, supported by 3, no negative house. Therefore, Mercury can conveniently act as a Dasha Lord. Okay, it can act as a Dasha Lord. As far as Bhukti is concerned, as there is no 5, no 7, no 11, therefore it will not act as a Bhukti. It can act as a Antara Lord. Right? Now the question here is, Mercury is not a very strong planet. How do we know that which planet amongst all the planets are strong or which are weak planets? So the point here, the first point that I have given is that if 2, 6, 8 and 12 are appearing, now look here, 2, 6, 8 and 12.
8, 12, okay. 2, 6,
Okay.
8, 12. This is one
2, 6,
combination.
this is one combination, 2, 6, 8, 12. There is denial of marriage. Why denial of marriage? For the ascendant and the 7th house. For the ascendant, the 6th house and the 2nd house, which is 8 to the 7th house. हम 7th की marriage की, ascendant is being married to the 7th house. 7th house means the house of wife. Okay. So if it is linking to 2 and 6, then it means denial, the event of this marriage will not happen. 2 and 6, because 2 is 8 to 7 and 6 is 12 to 7. 8th house damages any house to the extent of 66%, and 12th house damages the house to the extent of 100%.
Okay.
Right?
So 2, 6.
Now for 2 and 6, they are damaging to the ascendant. For the 7th house, that is the wife. Now for the 7th house, which house is not good? This 8th house, which is second to the 7th house, and 12th house, which is 12th to the ascendant. So that is why the combination 2, 6, 8 and 12, if it appears at the sub level, it means it will always deny the marriage. First combination.
Okay.
The second combination, look
Okay.
into the Kalamsa book where the topic of marriage is given, and Khullarji has very clearly stated and very clearly written in bold that the linking with 4, 6, 10 and 12 means denial of marriage. Okay. Why he says 5th house से 4th house 12th है, 7th house से 6th house 12th है, सेवंथ हाउस से सेवन
12
हाउस से टेंथ हाउस जो है वो फोर्थ है,
yes
ओके।
हाँ
और
12
सेवन हाउस ट्वेल्थ हाउस जो है दैट इज फॉर द असेंडेंट,
हाँ
right? So if it is 4, 6, 10 and 12,
हाँ
if the involvement of these houses are there,
हाँ
then there is denial of marriage. Very clearly in bold letters given by Khullarji in his book on Kalamsa in the chapter of marriage. You can open it and check it out. Okay. Now the next point.
हाँ
The next point is that if combination 2, 6 and 10, no 12 is there.
हाँ
2, 6 and 10. 2, 6 and 10. It means it is delay in marriage,
हाँ
not a denial.
हाँ
There is a difference between delay and denial.
yes yes
If there is 2, 4, 10 and 12,
हाँ
again it is delay in marriage, not denial of marriage.
हाँ
In the first case 6 is appearing, in the second case 12 is appearing with other combination. This is also given in bold letters in the book and very clearly given. Now coming back to Mercury here, Mercury promises marriage, but that promise is strongly denied by the sub-lord. Why? Because the sub-lord is giving us 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12. Anybody can check it. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12. It means in such cases where the sub-level or the sub-level gives a combination of 2, 4, 6, 8 and 12, there is a strong denial for the marriage. So Mercury is not a very strong planet, means the ascendant of the native and the seventh house sub-lord of the native is not a strong planet. It is strongly denying the marriage at the sub level. Okay, so that is first point, right? Now the next point is, chalo Mercury to hai. Now if you look at the dasha period lords, तो दी दशा इसको मूर्ति जी चार्ट डिटेल्स में लाना, bring the chart to the chart details. No, first one chart here, sir. Yes. Now the starting dasha is Saturn. Okay, so we have to read Saturn, right? Now Saturn is over by 65. The date of birth is 49. So 49 to 65 means how many years, sir? 49 to 65 means it is 16 years. 16 years, right? And since here moon is in the star of Saturn and in the sub of Saturn, one can easily understand that this marriage will not be an early marriage. It will take place beyond a particular age. Means it will not be an early marriage. It can be a late marriage, or it can be a delayed marriage. This is what we can conclude by the presence of Saturn as a star lord and as a sub lord of
moon.
Right, sir? So here up to 65 there is no possibility of marriage. Okay. Right, sir? Up to 65, from 49 to 65, how many years? 16 years. So marriage is not possible at the age of 16 years. Why it is not possible at the age of 16 years? Now there are two reasons for it. Reason number one is, now here Saturn, you have to look at the strength of Saturn. अब Saturn में देखें पहले तो 16 साल में marriage नहीं होगी इसकी. Why at 16 years? Because moon is in the star and in the sub of Saturn. There is a kind of Punarhu yoga which we use in KP. If we forget it for a while, even when moon is in the star of Saturn and in the sub of Saturn, it will always cause a delay in the marriage. So this marriage of this native will be either a late marriage or a delayed marriage. Okay, so this is the kind of information we get by the presence of Saturn.
As star lord and sub lord.
Sub-lord.
लेकिन डॉक्टर साहब मेरी मैरिज तो 16 साल में हो गई थी पुनर्भू में.
मैं बताऊंगा सर कैसे होगा. आपका केस और है सर. एक मिनट में आई विल शिफ्ट माय रूम एंड देन आई विल बी कनेक्टिंग बैक.
Okay.
गुरुजी नमस्ते।
नमस्ते नमस्ते।
सर मेरा क्वेश्चन ये है कि हम इसमें कार्यस में कैसे पता करें कि यह वीक है यह मजबूत है। अभी क्लास चल रही ना? अच्छा ठीक है, ओके ओके।
हो जा सर, क्या बोलता है कुंदन कुंदन जी? नायडू सर,
Kapla sir is
Parameswar
telling the
Naidu.
same, sir. Which is
Parameswar
telling
क्या
Naidu.
which
पूछ
is
रहा है
this.
వెళ్ళిపోయినా
कुंदन, क्या
हाँ
पूछ
जी।
रहा है?
गुरुजी मैं ये कह रहा हूँ कि कैसे हम पता करेंगे कि कौन सा कार्यस इसमें हमारे को मजबूत रिजल्ट देगा या क्या कहते हैं निगेटिव, वो कुछ फलित ही नहीं देगा उसमें।
अभी
तो
करेंगे ना,
इसका कुछ
अभी
वो
करेंगे
तो
ना,
पूरी
अभी
पूरी
अभी आज की बात
पूरी
सुनोगे तो पता
पूरी
चलोगे
थ्योरी
ना।
पूरी
नहीं
थ्योरी
नहीं,
याद होना चाहिए ना।
ऐसा
बिना
है
थ्योरी के कैसे?
किसी भी चीज को इफ यू वांट टू लर्न ना, यू नीड टू नो द थ्योरी नंबर वन, एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट यू नीड टू नो द एप्लीकेशन, हाउ टू अप्लाई। इट इज जस्ट लाइक ड्राइविंग ए व्हीकल। सबको मालूम है, सबको मालूम है कि स्टीयरिंग पकड़ेंगे और एक्सेलेटर पे पैर दबाएंगे और गियर, चलो गियर वाली गाड़ी नहीं है, ऑटोमेटिक चलती है, गाड़ी चल जाएगी, ऐसे गाड़ी नहीं चलेगी। इट इज जस्ट लाइक यू नो ए स्मॉल किड ड्राइविंग ए साइकिल। वो साइकिल भी उसको बैलेंस करना आना पड़ेगा। सिमिलरली दिस इज ऑल व्हाट इज रिक्वायर्ड बैक हियर। नाउ बैक टू आवर पॉइंट। सो दैट वाज फर्स्ट पॉइंट। So Saturn की दशा में there will be no marriage. That is the conclusion. Next comes the Mercury dasha, and Mercury dasha we have already discussed that in Mercury dasha at the sub level there is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12. So no possibility of marriage. No possibility of marriage. Complete denial of marriage. Right? So Mercury dasha is gone. Okay. Now back to after Mercury you get Ketu. Now if you look at Ketu, so Ketu is again representing which planets? Mercury. Right? And Ketu, if you look at Ketu, Ketu is sub
अरे
lord
किताब
of
तो
third
खाली।
cusp.
अरे यार तुम्हारे हाथ बहुत चलते हैं।
Ketu is the sub lord of
हैं? अरे नहीं, पढ़ने के लिए बात चल रही है। पेज खोलना है, पेज खोलेंगे फट सीधे।
हाँ जी, ओझा जी बोल रहे हैं।
हैं? नहीं नहीं मेरे
आपकी आवाज आ रही है सर।
Okay,
Oh,
okay.
sorry. So back here. Now look at Ketu. Ketu itself is sub lord of third cusp. No 5, no 7, no 11. Okay, sir. Second point, Ketu has no PS. तो 4 में बैठा हमें लेना ही पड़ेगा। It is posted in the 4th house, and 4th house is 10 to the 7th house. 10 to the 7th house means it will spoil the game by 33%. Right? Then Ketu represents Mercury, and Mercury we have already studied. It is in the sub of Rahu, and being in the sub of Rahu, which is again a Rahu. If you look at Rahu, it is the sub lord of the 6th cusp. Posted in 10th, again a very bad combination. Okay, so then here also we have studied Mercury, that it is in the sub of Rahu, which is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12. Strong denial for marriage, right? And then Ketu also represents Mars. If you look at Mars, sir, Mars is a sign lord of the 6th cusp. Posted in 12th. Strong link of 6 and 12. And is sign lord of 11th house. Sign lord at the weakest level.
Weak. Right.
So 6-12 combination is again there. It means Ketu also denies the marriage. It will not permit the marriage to happen. और केतु में तो सर अगर केतु का एस्पेक्ट भी हो जाए 7th लॉर्ड के ऊपर, केतु की पोजीशनिंग भी हो जाए 7th हाउस के अंदर, केतु किसी भी तरह से 7th हाउस या लगन लॉर्ड से जो है पोजीशन एस्पेक्ट कंजंक्शन में लिंक हो जाए तो केतु विल ऑलवेज डिनाई द मैरिज. इट इज ए कारका ऑफ मोक्ष. ये मैरिज को होने ही नहीं देता. और मैरिज जिस पे केतु प्रभावी होता है सर, the person who is strongly affected by Ketu will never go for this kind of events. Marriage के लिए वो हाँ ही नहीं करेगा. He will not agree to the marriage. So here back to Ketu. So Ketu here, which is the next planet after Mercury, she will also not get married in the
Ketu period.
Ketu period. Now, by what time the Ketu period is over, sir? Check करो आप.
40 years.
तो सर 40 साल के बाद रह ही क्या गया. आप खुद सोचो. ना लेट मैरिज हुई ना डिलेड मैरिज हुई. इट इज वेरी रेयर केस when you have a person marrying at the age of 46 or 50 years. Otherwise, people usually don't marry at the age. I don't say there can be one in or there can be one in say 50 cases. There can be one in 100 cases where a marriage beyond the age of 40 years that takes place. Anyhow, the next planet is Venus. केतु के बाद Venus आएगा. अब Venus में क्या है सर? Venus is involvement of 5, 7, 11 and look at the commitment 4, 6, 12. No 5, no 7. Okay. 5, 7 होता तो strong commitment होनी थी. 11 से commitment हो रही है कि हाँ ठीक है. Okay sir. And then look at the sub-lord. Sub-lord is 2, 10 and 12. 2, 10 and 12. यानी 4, 6, 12 में 2 भी ऐड हो गया तो ये क्या बना सर? 2, 4, 6, 10 and 12. 2, 4, 6, 10 and 12. और अगर I have given you the rules. 2, 4, 6, 10 and 12 means what? A delay in marriage. मतलब इसमें भी मैरिज होने में chances की possibility is there. But whether she marries or she does not marry,
Less chances are there.
less chances are there. So Venus Dasha is for 20 years. So by that time she will be 60 years in age. Now where is the chance of marriage, sir? There is no chance of marriage. आप देखो इसके बाद भी क्या है सर? आप suppose करो, आप इधर आ जाओ. Come back to the chart, sir. Come back to the chart, sir.
सर केतु सन्यास नहीं बना देगा केतु.
हाँ बना देगा सर. तभी तो बोला मैंने. केतु, अगर केतु का पोजीशन हो जाए 7th हाउस में, केतु का एस्पेक्ट हो जाए 7th लॉर्ड पे, केतु का एस्पेक्ट हो जाए असेंडेंट के ऊपर, तो फिर शादी के चांसेस तो होते ही नहीं सर. होते ही नहीं. वो पर्सन ही डिनाई कर देगा कि नहीं मुझे शादी नहीं करनी है. उसका इंटरेस्ट इन मैरिज is almost 0%. So he or she will not agree to the marriage. Chance आएंगे but they will refuse. जैसे yes करके last moment will they say कि no I am not interested in marriage. तो यहाँ देखो सर, हम वीनस की दशा की बात कर रहे हैं सर. Suppose करो वीनस दशा means what age? She will be 49 and 2009, 60 years of age, sir. 89 में start होगी वीनस दशा. 40 years. So वीनस को क्लिक करो सर, डबल क्लिक करो सर. अब वीनस में सबसे पहले वीनस आएगा. नहीं सर वही चलो सर. हाँ वीनस में सबसे पहले वीनस आएगा. वीनस कैन नॉट रिपीट. ठीक है सर. फिर आ जाए सन. Read the significations of sun. Sun involves 5, 7, 11. What about the commitment, sir? Sir, what about the commitment?
No commitment.
Okay.
2, 4, 6, 8 and 12. I have already stated.
चले
No
गया.
commitment.
ठीक है सर. ये चला गया.
Into.
ठीक है सर. सन के बाद आएगा मून. इसमें थोड़ी बहुत पॉसिबिलिटी है. मून में पॉसिबिलिटी है. ओके. That is what we can say. There is some possibility because the involvement 5, 7, 11, commitment by 5, 7, 11, final confirmation by 5, 7, 11, and no strong denial.
Yes.
Okay. So here we can say that there is some possibility of marriage. Now the question is, it depends upon the person. अब इसकी एज देखो सर. जब मून की भुक्ति आएगी, व्हाट विल बी द एज?
मून भुक्ति
94 में आएगी सर,
हाँ।
94 टू 95, 1 ईयर। तो 94 में एज कितनी हो गई सर इसकी? 45 ईयर।
45 क्रॉस होता, 45 क्रॉस।
45 क्रॉस हो गया,
हाँ।
ठीक है सर।
एवरीथिंग इज ओवर फॉर लेडी।
सर वही तो कहने लगा था मैं, दैट वाज द पॉइंट आई वांटेड टू रेज, कि आफ्टर 45 years of age no lady will ever go for the event of this say ceremony of marriage,
Yes, yes.
where less chances are there. I won't say कि होता नहीं है, होता है, maybe 1 in 1000,
हाँ,
The-
rare,
the chance-
rare cases.
rare cases, the chances are very remote, right sir? अब
50 साल का लड़का मिलना चाहिए ना, वो भी मुश्किल है ना।
हाँ जी, हाँ सर, हाँ,
45 years लेडी को
yes,
50 साल वाला तो अनमैरिड वाला को भी मिलना चाहिए।
तभी कोई मैरिज नहीं करेगा ना। वी हैव टू लुक फॉर मेनी अदर थिंग। चलो इसमें हम माने सर कि मून में थोड़ी बहुत चांसेस है मैरिज के। मूर्ति की फिर उसी पे आ जाओ, कस्पल इंटरलिंक्स पे।
Mars next.
नेक्स्ट इज मार्स सर। मार्स इज सिंपली इन्वॉल्विंग 11। ओके सर,
That is sign 11.
ओके, एंड व्हाट अबाउट द कमिटमेंट सर?
हाँ,
7 11 along with पढ़ो सर,
हाँ, 6, 10, 12, 2, 4, 6, 10, 12.
2 4 6 10 12। ओके सर,
हाँ,
2 4 6 10 and 12। 4 6 10 and 12 means denial of marriage।
हाँ, 2, 4,
4
6,
6 10, ठीक है सर।
हाँ,
अब इसमें क्वेश्चन रेज करेगा कोई भी कि इन्वॉल्वमेंट तो सिर्फ 11 की हुई है, तो ये नेगेट थोड़ा करेंगे। एनीबॉडी कैन क्वेश्चन कि देयर इज ओनली इन्वॉल्वमेंट ऑफ 11, देन व्हाई नेगेशन बाय 2 4 6 10 and 12? द क्वेश्चन इज that the involvement has to be strongly committed by the sub level, and the sub level here is not committing to the marriage,
हाँ,
because it is committing to 7 and 11 along with 2 4 6 10 and 12 strong
11
houses।
11 के लिए 2, 5, 6, 10 देता। 2, 6, 10 है ना इधर।
सर कोई हाँ वो तो
11
है। मैं
11 इन्वॉल्वमेंट में, इन्वॉल्वमेंट हाउसेस को वी हैव टू सी दी अनफेवरेबल हाउसेस। 11
हाँ
को क्या
निगेशन है
बोलता
ना,
हाँ, 2, 6, 10
निगेशन है
है।
सर।
2, 6,
सर
10 है इधर।
सर निगेशन है ना ये। 2 4 6 देखो सर, 4 6 10 and 12 is denial of marriage।
हाँ,
2 4 6 and 10 12 they will automatically, जितने भी आपके odd houses होंगे, all odd houses will be denied by the even house।
हाँ, ओके।
इसीलिए कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, इसीलिए कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं। सो मार्च का पीरियड में मैरिज नहीं होगा सर।
हाँ,
सर 1 point, मार्स नेसेसरी कंडीशन एंड एसेंशियल कंडीशन फुलफिल कर रहा है ना। वी आर
नहीं सर,
हाइलाइटिंग के
ऐसे-
नेगेटिव पॉइंट्स।
नहीं सर, लेना ही पड़ेगा सर। आप देखो,
no, 10 the potential of the Mars, potentiality.
देखो
ऐसा नेसेसरी कंडीशन
नहीं सर, ऐसे नहीं सर इसमें क्या है कि we have to I mean when we have to make out the conclusion, we have to take into account so many other things. Now look at Mars. Mars is in the star of Mars, which is involving 11 along with 4 6 and 12. It means that Mars will also give the results of 4 6 and 12 because Mars is in its own star and it has got PS. So the results of 4 6 and 12 will be strongly given by Mars without any problems, right sir? Now look at the next point. The next point is again 2 ways you can look at. Mars is in Ketu sub
Star.
sir,
Ketu
Ketu sub।
Yes.
अभी केतु मैंने अभी बोला सर आपको कि इज नॉट ए वेरी गुड प्लैनेट।
हाँ।
ओके, चलो इसको भूल जाओ। इफ यू फॉरगेट दिस, देन इट इज अगेन द इन्वॉल्वमेंट ऑफ 4 6 and 12 is supplemented by 2 4 6 10 and 12।
हाँ,
It is again supplemented by 2 4 6 and 12, which is again very very strong sir। Ketu is posted in the 4th house। Ketu represents Mercury। Mercury is in the sub of Rahu, which is 2 4 6 8 10 and 12, right sir? And it is in the, it represents Mars. Mars is the sign lord of 6th house and is a resident of the 12th house। It has a PS giving strong results of 6 and 12. तो यहाँ देखो ना पोजीशन क्या है केतु की, is the weakest planet that could ever give marriage. Right sir, so that is the reason that why there is denial in marriage. अब बहुत सारे केसेस में केतु मैरिज भी देता है, तो उन केसेस में इस तरह की कमिटमेंट नहीं होती, उन केसेस में नेगेटिव हाउसेस का कमिटमेंट नहीं होता. So
one doubt, sir.
हाँ जी बोलिए.
नेगेटिव हाउसेस होने से भी थोड़ा ऑब्स्टिकल्स देता है, बोलता है कोलर साहब.
हाँ जी, नहीं सर, या तो बहुत
सर ये सर प्लीज सुनिए, ये
आप एक पॉइंट ध्यान में रख के बोलिए कि 4, 6, 10 and 12 इज डिनायल ऑफ मैरिज. आप बोलिए. ये मैं नहीं कह रहा, ये फुलर जी कह रहे हैं.
Since correct, but at the same time, 7 primary house at sub level is there, so necessary condition is fulfilled. कोलर जी वो भी बोला ना.
कहाँ बोला सर, कहाँ बोला उन्होंने सर?
The primary house is either directly or indirectly.
Sir,
the planet should signify. Here the planet here indirectly signified the primary house.
सर, एक बिजनेसमैन को गुंडों ने पकड़ के अपने हाउस में रखा हुआ है, तो उसका बिजनेस चलेगा तो उसका बिजनेस बंद होगा. ये बताइए.
डॉक्टर साहब मैं कुछ बोलना चाहता हूँ.
नायडू जी आप सुनिए ना सर. केतु का 7 कहाँ से आया, 11 कहाँ से आया, पहले ये बताइए आप. केतु का 7, 11 कहाँ से आया सर?
केतु सब लेवल में देखा था ना, थ्रू रेफरेंस आएगा.
नहीं सर, 7, 11 कहाँ से आया सर? आप ये भी तो बताओ ना, 7, 11 कहाँ से आया?
मरकरी.
हाँ, तो फिर मरकरी तो हम पहले डिस्कस कर रहे हैं कि मरकरी इज द वीकेस्ट प्लैनेट.
मरकरी इज द सब लॉर्ड ऑफ 7.
हाँ जी.
सो 7 मरकरी द्वारा रेफरेंस द्वारा आया ना
सर. इससे अकेले से कुछ नहीं होगा ना. आप ये देखो
ना मेरा एक मिनट सर, मेरा पॉइंट ये है, ये पहले से बहुत दिन से हमको ये माइंड में है. since the case is known and retirement भी हो गया, शादी भी नहीं हुआ, so keeping that point in mind, we are taking the negative points and justifying the event.
नहीं सर, नहीं.
Suppose if this lady comes at 20 years of age, can we analyze this case like this?
नायडू जी आप ध्यान ही नहीं दे रहे ना. आप जो है ना, सी लुक हियर, मार्स की भुक्ति कब शुरू हुई सर? एज तो देखो ना उसकी. सर अकेला प्रेडिक्शन जो है इसी पॉइंट पे नहीं होता. जब आप प्रेडिक्शन करते हो तो आपको उसका एज भी यू हैव टू कीप इन माइंड. उसका जो है किस प्लेस को बिलोंग करती है, यू हैव टू कीप इन माइंड. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, अगर ये 20 साल की लड़की होती तो हम कभी भी ये कंक्लूजन ना देते.
देश काल परिस्थिతులను బట్టి చెప్పాలి అంటాడు.
सिंपल है सर. आप देखो ना सर, मार्स कब शुरू हुआ? 95 में शुरू हुआ. What was the age? 46 years of age at that time. Do you think a lady would get married or try to get married at the age of 46 years?
46, 47 बहुत मुश्किल.
Sir, you have to see for so many other points also na. Simply don't concentrate upon what Mars is giving through Ketu. Had it been a case for 20 years old girl or 25 years old girl, we would have never concluded this. We have looked into certain other factors also. Here, why we are concentrating on this point is only because she has already crossed 45 years of age. That is why we are saying like that. Had she been of 20 years or 22 years or 25 years, we have never discussed about that.
डॉक्टर साहब आपकी बात हो जाए तो मैं कुछ बोलना चाहूंगा.
बोलो सर. बोलो आप. मैं तो बाद में बात करूं.
इस केस में मरकरी सबसोलॉट असेंडेंट एंड मरकरी सबसोलॉट 7th both. Okay.
हाँ जी.
And Mercury in the sub of Rahu. Mercury in the star of Rahu as well as sub of Rahu. Right?
हाँ जी.
Okay. If we go to refer the page 74, item 2, there is a written in bold letters.
Which book?
Already book.
Which book?
74 page.
हाँ जी, हाँ जी, हाँ जी, बोलो बोलो आप।
ATL 74.
It is possible that the promise of particular condition as shown by the Rahu Ketu SS locus and shown by the planet Rahu Ketu represent is of opposite nature. In such cases, we should remember that this indicates big promise.
हाँ
However,
जी,
promise shown by the Rahu Ketu takes precedence. Okay.
हाँ जी, हाँ जी,
Here Rahu represents Jupiter and Mercury.
हाँ जी,
Though Jupiter जो है is making linkage with 7, 5, 1, 11.
हाँ जी,
But
correct,
Rahu itself
हाँ जी,
being a PS planet does not link any of the house 5, 7, 11. Rather,
हाँ जी,
it is the sub-lord of the sixth cup.
हाँ जी,
So, sub-lord of the seventh cup, Mercury, has no power to give the promise of the marriage. So, in this case, marriage is not promised, according to my opinion. According
नहीं
to this verdict given by the Kullar Sahib and my
सर,
opinion,
सर
there
हम
is
भी
no
तो
promise.
वही, सर हम भी वही बात कर रहे हैं, आप बुक
हाँ।
की लाइंस पढ़ के कह रहे हो, हम बिना लाइंस पढ़े वही कंक्लूजन दे रहे
नहीं
हैं।
आपने
सर पॉइंट इज, नहीं नहीं, आपने सुना नहीं
आपने क्या है,
सर, लुक
आपने इसमें
सर,
2, 6,
सर,
10, 4 से 10 की जरूरत ही नहीं है कहने
सर,
की मेरे
सर,
हिसाब से।
सर क्यों नहीं है, आप देखो ना यहाँ पे मैंने पहले पॉइंट आउट किया कि राहु जो है वो 6 और 12 से स्ट्रांगली लिंक्ड है। यहाँ राहु को PS है, 6 का सब लॉर्ड बना हुआ है, तो इट विल डेफिनेटली प्ले ए रोल, एंड एनी प्लैनेट which appears as the sub-lord of the sixth cusp is likely to either delay the marriage or to deny the marriage. Now the question is when it will delay and when it will deny the marriage. Suppose Rahu here was linked to 6 and 2. We will
But
say
it
it
is-
caused delay in marriage. It causes
To
delay
my-
in marriage.
To my mind, it is a case of the no marriage because Rahu Mercury is not giving a promise. To my mind, वो ठीक है, मतलब हम किसी तरह से कह सकते हैं, आपने जो कहा बहुत परफेक्टली कहा है, लेकिन सीधा सीधा प्लेन लैंग्वेज ऑफ द कस्पल इंटरलिंक की बात करेंगे तो मरकरी सब लॉर्ड जो है, जो असेंडेंट और सेवंथ का है, वो खुद ही प्रॉमिस नहीं दे रहा, बात खत्म हो गई।
सर प्रॉमिस तो मिल रहा है ना, प्रॉमिस इज थ्रू
नहीं,
इन्वॉल्वमेंट एंड
no,
कमिटमेंट। सर कहाँ नहीं मिल रहा सर, आप देखो इन्वॉल्वमेंट 5, 7, 11, कमिटमेंट बाय 3।
As per 74 page, there is no promise by the Rahu.
सर राहु सब लॉर्ड पे प्रॉमिस नहीं, कमिटमेंट नहीं दे रहा, स्ट्रॉन्ग कमिटमेंट नहीं दे रहा, फाइनली यस नहीं कर रहा। सर
Rahu is the sub lord. Rahu is the final authority. Rahu itself has a PS and it does not link with the 5, 7 either of the relevant houses.
नहीं,
So
क्यों नहीं है सर? सर नहीं सर,
नहीं,
इस पॉइंट
no,
इस
no.
पॉइंट से मैं डिफर करता हूँ। आप देखो सर, आप
9, 6, 10 है Rahu, 9, 6, 10 only. Rahu 9, 6, 10.
Sir,
आप
there
देखिए-
are 101 cases I can show you where Rahu is both the star lord as well as sub lord and yet giving the marriage. Rahu जब भी एक्टिवेट होगा मैरिज देता है, as per Vedic also. Anyhow, we believe, we don't talk about Vedic. Here what the point you are raising is perfectly all right, but the simple explanation to this, 6 alone with 7 has no meaning, sir. 6 is appearing, 7 is also appearing in Rahu. 6 along with 7 has no meaning, sir, because 7 is appearing at the which level, sir? ये भी देखना पड़ेगा। जुपिटर का 7 है, 7 में बैठा हुआ जुपिटर। इसीलिए डिनाइल क्यों कहा हमने, जब तक 6 का कॉम्बिनेशन स्ट्रॉन्ग डिनाइल हाउसेस से नहीं होगा, सर इट्स ए थ्योरी ऑफ ग्रुप। 6 alone means nothing. राहु का 6 में बैठने से अकेले से कुछ नहीं होगा। राहु 6 में बैठा है तो फिर राहु 7 भी दे रहा है, क्योंकि राहु जुपिटर को रिप्रेजेंट करता है, जुपिटर 7 में बैठा है। तो क्या कहोगे सर आप, किसको आप स्ट्रॉन्ग बताओगे, राहु को बताओगे, जुपिटर को बताओगे?
देखिए एज पर लैंग्वेज ऑफ द जो है कस्पर हमारे
नहीं,
सर वो तो साफ लिखा है कि हम जब राहु को प्रेसिडेंस, राहु को प्रायोरिटी देंगे तो राहु खुद नहीं है, राहु 6 में है, राहु ने मना कर दिया।
ऐसे तो सर कभी फिर मैरिज ही नहीं होगी सर, अगर राहु इस तरह से, राहु का देखो सर, राहु को आप थाउजेंड्स ऑफ चार्ट्स में देखोगे, इसी तरह के कॉम्बिनेशन देता है, वो मैरिज भी देता है। सर, मेरा पॉइंट, मैं आपकी पॉइंट से एग्री करता हूँ, मेरा सिर्फ एक ही पॉइंट है यहाँ पे, 6 alone has no meaning. 6 with a combination of 4, 6, 10 and 12 has a meaning. ये भी तो देखो ना, उन्होंने लिखा हुआ है, आप ये पॉइंट पढ़ो ना, मैरिज का उन्होंने बहुत क्लियरली लिखा हुआ है। उसके बाद उन्होंने ये भी लिखा हुआ है 2, 6, 10 का मतलब है डिनायल ऑफ मैरिज। फिर उन्होंने ये भी लिखा हुआ है कि 4, 6, 10, 12 दैट इज डिनायल ऑफ मैरिज। 2, 6, 8 and 12 is strong denial of marriage. It means 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12 means totally marriage is denied. ये कॉम्बिनेशन है सर, कॉम्बिनेशन में एक्ट करेंगे ना। आपने ठीक कहा, बिल्कुल मैं आपसे एग्री करता हूँ, लेकिन 6 के साथ 7 भी है सर। राहु अगर 6 का सब लॉर्ड है तो जुपिटर भी देखो ना सर 7th में बैठा हुआ वर्चुअल सब लॉर्ड है पीएस होके। आप बताओ डिनाई कैसे करोगे मैरिज को?
नहीं, यू हैव एक्सप्लेन्ड वेरी वेल जो है व्हाट
नहीं, मेरा पॉइंट ये है सर, आप इसको डिनाई करके दिखाओ कैसे करोगे।
नहीं, मैं आई एम गोइंग ऑन द प्लेन सिंपल
नहीं सर, वो कॉम्बिनेशंस पे डिपेंड करता है ना, वो इट विल ऑलवेज डिपेंड फ्रॉम केस टू केस। हियर इन द प्रेजेंट केस
कलांसा बुक के बाद की टू लर्न जब आया है, और की टू लर्न में जब उन्होंने साफ साफ बोल्ड लेटर में एक नया
नहीं सर, नहीं बोल्ड लेटर में बाकी भी पढ़ो सर, आप मेरी बात नहीं समझ रहे, आप सिर्फ एक ही पॉइंट पे एम्फोसिस दे रहे हो। मेरा आपसे सिंपल क्वेश्चन है, आप मुझे इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर दो। राहु आपने कहा 6 का सब लॉर्ड है, तो जुपिटर को पीएस होके 7th का रेजिडेंट है। अब आप ये बताओ राहु स्ट्रॉन्ग है कि जुपिटर स्ट्रॉन्ग है?
जुपिटर स्ट्रॉन्ग की बात नहीं, यहाँ बात है रिप्रेजेंटेटिव प्लेनेट की बात है। जुपिटर मरकरी आदि रिप्रेजेंटेटिव प्लेनेट ऑफ द राहु।
सर हम ये रूल सर ऐसे नहीं लगाएंगे हम, जैसे आप कह रहे हो, वो इसलिए नहीं करेंगे। बहुत सारे केसेस में आप देखोगे कि रिप्रेजेंटेटिव प्लैनेट्स को लेके ही इवेंट एक्सप्लेन होता है, ऐसे नहीं होता जैसे आप कह रहे हो।
सर खुल्लर साहब को ये बात लिखना नहीं चाहिए थी, मेरा ये कहना है। जब लिखा हुआ है तो हम उसको,
ये तो उनको मालूम है ना सर, मैं तो प्रैक्टिकल बात कर रहा हूँ जो चार्ट्स में हम देखते हैं। अभी हम फिर चार्ट डिस्कस करेंगे, एक और चार्ट है जो पिछले वाला था, उसमें आप देखोगे ऐसे ही कॉम्बिनेशन है, ऐसे कॉम्बिनेशन में मैरिज उसकी हो रही है। सर 6 and 7th appearance in both are at very strong level. Jupiter with a PS is appearing as is posited in the 7th house, sir. It will give a strong result of the 7th house. Still then marriage is not happening. Why? Because 6th here is stronger than 7. Why stronger than 7? Because it has got a combination of people. 6 के साथ गुंडे हैं, 7 बेचारा शरीफ है, इसीलिए 7 का कोई काम नहीं होगा, 6 का काम बन रहा। 6 के साथ बहुत सारे हाउसेज एसोसिएटेड है, 7 के साथ नहीं है एसोसिएटेड।
10 भी है वर्चुअल सब लॉर्ड,
10th का भी वर्चुअल सब लॉर्ड, 12 का भी है सर।
नहीं ग्रुपिंग कर लेना पहले।
हाँ, ग्रुपिंग करना पहले। सो ग्रुपिंग इज इम्पोर्टेंट सर,
इट इज मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट।
हाँ जी, अब और कोई क्वेश्चन है तो दिस इज द रीजन सर, व्हाट वन कैन वेल अंडरस्टैंड दैट
if I remember correctly, Kolar Sahab ये भी लिखा है, even though the event is promised, the promise does not guarantee that the event will happen.
Yes,
He has written.
yes.
So the Dasha period lords and transits should agree.
Correct.
Here the Dasha period lords are not agreed up to 45 years of age. That's why the marriage is
दशा ही नहीं एग्री कर रही सर, सबसे पहले दशा ही नहीं एग्री कर रही सर।
అందుకే కదండి మనం దశా వైద్య ఒక్కొక్కటి చెక్ చేసుకుంటూ వచ్చినది, ఆ ఉద్దేశంతోనే కదా। అది పేజ్ నెంబర్ 16లో ఇచ్చారు చూడు, హోరర్ ఎస్ట్రాలజీ బుక్ 16లో ఇచ్చి చూడు, రోమన్ అంకెల్లో మీరు చెప్పిన రూల్।
ठीक है जी, अब किसी को कोई क्वेश्चन पूछना है, एनीथिंग व्हिच इज नॉट क्लियर, एनीबॉडी कैन आस्क। सो वन कैन अंडरस्टैंड दैट व्हाई दिस लेडी इज नॉट मैरिड। सो आई थिंक कि जितना मुझे मालूम था, to the best of my knowledge, I have tried to explain that how on the basis of this chart.
Can we conclude like this? The event is promised, but the marriage could not be held because the Dasha periods are not favorable during the marriageable years.
Definitely, sir. Definitely. There is no doubt about it, sir.
It is common, sir. Every astrologer knows it. When Dasha period laws are not cooperating, the event will never take place. Even if it also is there.
Yes,
everywhere is there.
But here the problem is, sir, that the planets are not favoring the event. So then what is the Dasha period about? So the first point is that we have to see the promise of the event. Then only we go for the Dasha period law.
That's correct. We have to assess the planets first also. Very good, very good.
Any question, sir? So I think Murthy ji, rather than KP, this method is rather simple and better.
Yes, sir.
The point is how to apply, and I think we need to learn it how to apply. So these are the points which we have to keep in mind. Now, apart from that, अभी नायडू जी ने जो क्वेश्चन रेज किया था,
Sir,
so जी,
sir, one question regarding marriage, because I have a doubt, not only my doubt, so many people are put in dilemma. In page number 16, क्या बोलते हैं 16, 16 रोमन अंकल लो చూడండి హోరర్ एस्ट्रोलॉजी में रोमन लेटर्स में 16 पेज में क्या लिखता है, for the event to be promised the sub lords of the ascendant and primary cusp should be the significator at star or positional level of the primary or supporting cusp that will take part in enacting the event. इधर है
हाँ जी, हाँ जी, हाँ जी.
ये बोला तो क्या है, इसका मतलब क्या है? What is the meaning of this sentence?
Sir,
What is the meaning of this sentence?
Sir, horary chart की बात कर रहे हैं ना. The horary chart and the natal chart are two different things. Horary is casted on the basis of a number. Is casted on the basis of the presence of mind of a person, according to which he gives a particular number. उस नंबर के लिए उन्होंने कहा है कि अगर हमारे पास जो स्टार लेवल पे प्रॉमिस मिल रहा है ना सर, अगर कोई भी प्लेनेट अपने स्टार लेवल पे रिक्वायर्ड कस्प दे देता है 5 और 7 और 11, इट मींस द इवेंट इज प्रॉमिस्ड.
Okay.
That is the point, sir. That is the point, sir.
Same author, he has given in 451 page, same book, 451 page में क्या बोलता है देखो.
हाँ
वो
जी,
भी
हाँ
पढ़ूंगा,
जी.
वो भी पढ़ूंगा. 451 page horror astrology में for promise of the event, the sub lord of the fixed ascendant and primary cusp of the event should establish links through the star lords and sub lords with the primary and supporting cusp shown against the event.
हाँ जी, हाँ जी. सर वो तो वही है ना सर.
क्या
अब
है
आप
इसमें?
देखो,
उधर क्या
इसमें-
बोलता है, केवल इन्वॉल्वमेंट में बोला तो विद
नहीं.
पीएफ
सर,
आप स्टेलर
सर,
लेवल में फाइव
दोनों-
में तो वो क्या बोलता है,
नहीं,
इधर क्या बोलता है
सर,
कि एनसी
नहीं,
होगा
नहीं.
बोलता है इधर.
नहीं सर, दोनों में डिफरेंस देखो आप. जब होरेरी चार्ट देखते हो ना सर, पहले आप मून को देखते हो, whether the moon qualifies for the event or not. पहला पॉइंट तो यही है ना सर, जेन्युइननेस ऑफ द क्वेरी. जेन्युइननेस ऑफ क्वेरी के बाद उन्होंने जो पॉइंट लिखा है 16 पेज के ऊपर, उसमें उन्होंने कहा है कि जब आप असेंडेंट और प्राइमरी कस्प इन्वॉल्व ऑफ द इवेंट और 11th हाउस को देखोगे तो वहां पे अगर ये तीनों कस्प अगर स्टार लेवल पे 5 और 7 और 11 दे देते हैं तो इसका मतलब दे आर गिविंग ए प्रॉमिस फॉर द इवेंट. ओके, उसी को उन्होंने लिखा है कि जब इसको आप फर्दर स्टडी करोगे, लाइक फर्दर स्टडी का मतलब क्या है सर, दशा पीरियड लॉर्ड्स पे जब आप जाओगे वहां पे भी सपोज करो 7th का जो सब लॉर्ड है वो जुपिटर है, सब लॉर्ड, और दशा भी जुपिटर की है. तो जुपिटर को स्टडी करने के लिए दशा को यू हैव टू look for both the conditions, the necessary and the essential conditions. Only if that dasha period lord Jupiter satisfies both the conditions, then only the event is there, otherwise the event will not happen. ये दोनों को उन्होंने इस ढंग से लिखा है. मे बी हिज लैंग्वेज थोड़ी सी उन्होंने
प्रॉमिस को क्या डेफिनेशन, करेक्ट डेफिनेशन बोलो. प्रॉमिस बोला तो कैसा रहना, एक ही बात रहना.
सर होरेरी में प्रॉमिस,
नो होरेरी नथिंग, प्रॉमिस बोला तो कैसा रहना. कम ऑन
सर दोनों में डिफरेंस है ना सर. आप होरेरी चार्ट को नेटल चार्ट नहीं मान सकते सर, वही तो कह रहा हूँ मैं आपको. होरेरी के लिए नेटल चार्ट वाली अप्रोच नहीं है, बेसिक प्रिंसिपल्स वही हैं. आप देखो ना, किसी भी होरेरी चार्ट के लिए आपने असेंडेंट का प्रॉमिस देखना है. असेंडेंट को पीएस है और 5 में अपीयर हो रहा है, it has given the promise of marriage. Simple, no problem at all. 7th cusp जो है उसको PS है, वो 7 दे रहा है या 5 दे रहा है, it has given the promise of marriage. Simple, छोड़ो. posted in 7th marriage. ये promise है sir. This is for the beginning part of the promise, where you need to understand the ascendant sub-sublord, the primary cusp sub-sublord and the 11th sub-sublord. लेकिन जब आप दशा पीरियड लॉर्ड्स को स्टडी करोगे सर, वहां पे you have to study them by taking both the necessary and the essential conditions. The necessary conditions gives the promise. Giving promise of an event does not mean the event will occur. The event will occur only if the essential condition is also satisfied. Otherwise, that particular planet which is appearing as a dasha period lords will not allow the event to happen. अब दशा के लिए उन्होंने फिर आगे दे दिया कि it has to be neutral or it has to be positive. भुक्ति के लिए भी उन्होंने दे दिया it has to be strong in the case of marriage, in the case of childbirth, in the case of purchase of house. Bhukti has to be strong. In the case of death, dasha has to be strong. But if we talk about the job, then dasha and bhukti can be neutral or maybe positive. But the Antara Lord has to be strongly positive because we focus mainly upon the Antara Lord. इस तरह से है सर, वो अलग अलग केसेस में ये मतलब है सर. सर प्रॉमिस का मतलब ये है बरारी में. नेटल में जब हम प्रॉमिस पढ़ते हैं तो हम वहां पे नेसेसरी कंडीशंस का प्रॉमिस देखते हैं.
हाँ वो बोलो, वो होना मुझे.
हेलो.
Now you have got the point. That is my
Okay.
principle. That is the answer. Okay.